Hey, officer, everything is okay?
Are you family, sir?
I am the neighbor.
Okay. Yeah, everything's okay, sir.
Yeah, that's it.
So right now, we've got some stuff going. Obviously, there's ambulances here and police.
All right.
So I'm going to ask that you please return towards your property.
All right, sir.
Thank you, sir.